What's up, guys? So before you give me crap for walking and talking, I'm in the woods and I'm walking back to my truck, so don't give me a hard time. But I made a video a couple hours ago and I was pretty heated. Not gonna lie, I deleted it because I'd have probably regretted some of the things I said. But I've made a video like this before, but I have a pretty specific example today. I was listening to a guy on Facebook Live, and he owns a company. They do AdWords for service companies, and he also owns a service company. He had some dude with him, no freaking clue who the guy was, but long story short, they're giving business advice, and of course the whole reason, no matter what anyone says, the whole reason they're doing these live videos and stuff is to create, revenue for their marketing company, which is fine. But long story short, he was on there saying that Everydoor direct mail doesn't work. He said, and he almost made a joke of it, like almost made it sound like people who do it are stupid. So I commented, and basically he said, I did Everydoor direct mail 3 times. I was consistent and did it 3 times and it didn't work. So I said, I commented, I said, 3 times isn't consistent. And the reason it probably didn't work is not because it doesn't work at all. It's probably because your postcard's content and design wasn't any good, and it wasn't built to convert people to call you or email you or go to your website, whatever you're doing. And of course he responded back, fired back right away, saying, he disagrees with me, and in order to get people to call you on that, you have to basically, give away stuff for free or discount your services, and that he has a way better way of marketing his company where he doesn't have to do any of that. So, oh dude, this is gnarly. This is the freaking wild. Check this out. Welcome to the country. That's crazy. Anyway, so anyway, he went on and on about how it doesn't work. And it pissed me off, not because he doesn't believe in it. I don't care if he does it or not. The reason it made me mad was because it does work if you do it right. And it's what I built my entire company on for the most part. And there's a lot of guys watching that Facebook Live that'll never do any kind of print because that dude says it doesn't work. But he just doesn't know what he's doing. And so it pissed me off a little bit because he's giving bad business advice. And so I text one of our clients. You guys know by now that we design postcards and do print and do AdWords and all that stuff too. I believe in that too, trust me. But I texted one of our clients, Patrick, and he's actually kind of turned into a good friend. And he just started a window cleaning business down in Missouri. He owns a lot company that does a lot. I'm not gonna give numbers. He can do that if he ever wants to. But he started a window cleaning company, and we're doing 10,000 Everydoor direct mail postcards a month for him. And he just put his first batch out 3 weeks ago. And I texted him, I said, hey, what's your response rate been on that? How many quotes have you done? He said, on postcards alone, in the last 3 weeks, we've done 35 to 40 quotes. I'm like, good Lord, like that's better than even we do. You know what I mean? And it probably depends on market and everything else, but we didn't discount his services. We didn't give away anything for free. We advertised his real prices, and it freaking worked. So I felt like I owed it to somebody. If you're hearing people say that print doesn't work, print's dead, direct mail's dead, it's too expensive, return on investment's bad, they're just wrong. They just don't know what they're doing. They don't know how to design the card right. They don't know how to grab people's attention. They don't know how to make the right specials. They don't know any of that stuff. And specials don't mean discount, okay? And so I felt like I owed it to somebody who's probably heard this in the past. Print's not dead. Don't run away from it. Don't be scared to try it. There's a lot of other things you can do out there too, but it's been the #1 marketing thing in our company. And by the way, be careful who you listen to. Not everybody knows everything. I don't know everything. I know very little. And I only talk about the things I know. So follow people who are talking about the things they know, not talking like they know everything there is to know. And you'll be okay. I love you guys. Have an awesome weekend. Peace.